If and when, Chiquita, you ever come out here, I'm going to teach you how to can beef. This is the easiest thing to do. You spend a couple of hours doing it, but then you have it. Like right now, I'm getting ready to make mashed potato with beef and gravy. So all I gotta do is open this, dump it in here, add a little bit of, you know, stuff that I want, and it'll be done. It's pretty much cooked all the way. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this so I can get all the juices, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of what is it, kavasa flour or regular flour to this. And depending if it needs salt, I'll add a little bit of salt and probably a little bit of soy sauce, and then I'll thicken it up and I'll have my gravy, and that'll be in. So when this is done, you'll see how good it looks, girl. You need to learn this trick, especially when you find meats on sale. That's the time to do it.
Here you have it. Delicious. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit notification.